Hi friends, myself SS Dogra once again with you, and you might have heard about classroom, dressing room, dining room, but today we are talking with talk room. And talk room is founded none other than author speaker Mrs. Sulleen Kaur. She is from Dehradun. And now straightforward we move to Doon Valley and interact with Sulleen Kaur. Hi Sulleen ma'am, you are most welcome to the show. Firstly, I am asking how and who rather inspired you to come into this teaching profession?
That's a nice question. I always wanted to be a teacher. I mean, I had my intentions quite clear that I had to be a teacher. मुझे याद है बचपन में भी when my mother used to tell me क्या कर रही हो, मैं वो साड़ीज ड्रेप करके मम्मा की, and you know I used to become a teacher and used to think that I have students, I'm teaching them, और इकट्ठे भी कर लेती थी इधर उधर से बच्चे, क्या हुआ मैं तुम्हें पढ़ाऊंगी. So I don't know, right from the beginning this inclination, I think I was inspired by my teachers. I had a very good mentors, so maybe कि मैं उनसे inspired थी.
Sorry ma'am, as a teacher, how can you define the significance of a teacher in our life?
A role of teacher is actually not easy, and to be a good teacher, I think teachers सभी good होते हैं. घर पे जो roles mothers play कर रही हैं, the same roles the teachers are playing in school, and definitely the responsibility on their shoulders carries a huge weightage. A good teacher is actually one who is trying to build up a new nation. Now, by new nation, I mean a new generation that's coming. And I think we are the ones who are responsible, जो nation को आगे बढ़ाने में सबसे ज़्यादा हाथ जिनका होता है. That's where you get those scientists and the doctors and engineers, everyone. So it starts with the teacher, I think.
Ma'am, what is the basic idea behind talk room? And how many students from India and abroad getting benefited from your concept?
The talk room. This is one of my favorite questions, and thank you for asking me. Talk room is one room where you can talk. When I was naming it the talk room, everybody was, are you sure you want to name it talk room? That means chat. I said no. It means sensible talks. Now those sensible talks which children are afraid, which students are afraid, which corporates are afraid to do, they are afraid to speak in public. Here at the talk room, one unique thing that we do is we talk our hearts out. Now, if you can talk openly, I think you are not afraid of anything. So how do we do that? Let's come to the talk room and we'll understand. ये talk room करता क्या है? कैसी बातें कराता है ये बातें बहुत sensible, हमारे profession, हमारी life को easy बनाने के लिए talk room की establishment की गई है. यहाँ पर hundreds of students from India, from Singapore, we have students from Saudi Arabia, we have from Dubai. तो बहुत सारे बच्चे talk room में enroll कर रहे हैं, and I think all through my summit the children have been doing up their work, so I think let the work speak. Thank you.
What basic concept you want to spread through your bestseller book, Good Vibes Makes Good Lives?
I think the name of the book is enough to say everything. Good vibes make good lives. And here, this book is actually to create good vibes, whether it is honesty, generosity, love, honesty, transparency, humility, truthfulness. That's what this book is all about. The stories of such people who really believed in the virtues and they could make their life a success.
Ma'am, recently you are organizing an International Children's Summit 2020. What is the basic idea behind this project and how it can be useful for the children?
Oh, I'm thrilled. I am super excited. I am overwhelmed with the kind of response that I've been getting from students. I mean, with every participation or every contest, I must say, 50 participants, 40 participants. I mean, I had to tell them, but I don't have seat. I mean, the slots are full. The jury has to judge also. But you know, the kind of storytelling we had, nearing 50 students. For calligraphy, I've already told you. For public speaking, we had 30 plus, and you know, we wanted 30 so that the jury is able to do justice and we can manage in time. But the children were after our lives, so the kind of response that I've got is phenomenal, and I'm really, from my heart, you know, I thank all the students for giving us so much love and affection.
What is the object of this summit, and what are the major attraction of this International Children's Summit?
Now, the Swarnavahini International Children's Summit also came up from the students. I could see the morose faces. They were quite, you know, one day talking to each other in the classroom. Ma'am, you know, what fun. We used to have such great days like fetes and festivals and annual functions in our school, and we are all missing it because the schools are not opening. So I said, what then? Let's create it. I said, are you sure it'll be done? I said, of course, if we try, anything can be done. And after that, I think the children were more keen, enthusiastic, more you know, into it, and participation, and the scripts they were writing, coming up with new ideas every day. Ma'am, let's try this, let's do this. So that's how International Children's Summit came into being. That's how it was born. And yes, definitely, you know, the main purpose, of course, here in the pandemic times was to make children aware that it is not stopping anywhere. See, one thing is only certain, that it is uncertainty that is prevailing. But amidst that, we cannot sit back hand on hand that we can't do anything. This is just to tell children that no matter what, now in fact we are more closer to each other. We have more, you know, synergies getting closer to each other. In many countries, now you see the example, 7 countries participating with us. Everybody enjoying sitting back home, participating sitting back home. We are getting to know each other better. I think world has shrunk. And the main objective of this International Children's Summit was to bring children closer. And when they come and tell me, ma'am, we found new friends, we found new people, I really feel happy about it, that the motive of the summit has actually been accomplished.
Ma'am, are you satisfied with the children participation and the success of ICS?
What is attracting the children the most is the competitions that are going on. Oh my God, I can see the craving and the craze that they have to get into the competitions. Early morning, my phone starts to ring. Ma'am, this competition, ma'am, we've not got the details. Ma'am, when is this competition? Oh my God. And to my surprise, for the calligraphy and creative writing, we had 200 plus entries. And still we received 135 calls saying that we missed on that competition and we want to get in. So that day we announced that we're going to have another competition, just the creative writing and calligraphy, for all those who could not enroll themselves. So that's the kind, you know, I mean, that's the major attraction children are having. But of course, all those who are interested for their careers, for their, you know, upcoming projects, they are looking up to the webinars. Children are being benefited by the workshops we are holding. So in a case, I think there are activities that are all planted in interest of the students, and they are trying to make the most of it. I think with every child, there is something that he wants to know more about. So the moment we have that session, the children log in. So I think just because it is by the children, for the children, and from the children, it is captivating the interest of all the children.
And who are your major support?
All my team, Shifali, Charanpreet, Sakshi, I mean Omi, my technical team, my social media team, they have been working day in and out with me. I mean, I mean, if I start to mention my family is my team. You know, my team has been a strong support with me, working day in and out, and we really tried to create this summit as if it was really happening. And I really feel glad when children come and tell us this thing. Yes, we are coming up with new projects, and there are going to be new announcements on Saturday when we do the closure ceremony. So for that, you'll have to wait for a moment, that we'll be announcing a few of our more surprises to come.